How's it going? My name is Brent from ENCORE, and today I wanted to go over with you the process of us mixing our slip solution. So this is a gallon of water, and this water goes through a reverse osmosis system, which is made by APEC. This here is our soap solution that we mix in. This is a measuring cup with a lid that we pour this product into so that it's very easily accessible to our medicine syringe. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on this. So everything is extremely precise, and I will put links in the description for all of these products here. So we keep about 4 gallons on hand of this water because the system after about a gallon starts to get a little bit on the slow side. Today we're just going to mix 1 gallon for simplicity's sake. There's going to be a link to this soap in the description. It is not going to look like this, although it'll be the same exact product. I did have to do some research in order to find this product made by a different made by the same manufacturer, sold under a different label, because this is no longer something that you can purchase. So what we're going to be mixing in is exactly 7 milliliters per gallon of water. And that's our mixture for slip solution. And that's it. So we'll go ahead and put the top back on this corning keg. We made these here. These are all, all the parts for these are available online. We have about, I think it's about a 30-foot hose that I'll put a link in the description for. So a 30-foot hose, we use the plastic sprayer for doing paint protection film, as well as we put an inline filter on these. Now the filter is actually kind of a cool thing. We found the filters, I think they're only like $9 on the manufacturer's website. So that will be in the description, but that's a big savings over buying them from most of the places online that sell the other parts for these kegs. I mean, I've seen them as much as they want $40 for them. So that's a huge savings. I appreciate you taking a look at the video. If you found anything helpful, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.